Welcome to Love Lux Amore, where we talk about self-development and fulfilling our dreams. In this video, we're going to explore the exciting world of making a portable vision board that you can carry in your planner. Vision boards are a powerful tool for manifesting your goals and keeping your dreams top of mind. But what if you could carry your vision board with you wherever you go? By creating a portable version, you can have a constant reminder of your goals right at your fingertips, seamlessly integrated into your daily life through your planner. Before we dive into the creative process, I want to quickly remind you that if you're feeling inspired by today's topic and want some extra guidance in putting together a vision board that perfectly aligns with your goals, I offer templates, vision board analysis, and goal-setting services. Together, we can craft a unique approach that's tailored to your specific needs, helping you visualize and achieve your aspirations with clarity and purpose. Check out the loveluxamore.com to learn more. Now, let's get started on making your portable vision board for your planner. Why create a portable vision board? A traditional vision board is typically large and hangs on a wall, where you can see it every day. But a portable vision board offers a unique set of advantages, especially for those who are always on the go or prefer to have their goals close at hand. Here's why a portable vision board is a fantastic idea. 1. Daily interaction. By keeping your vision board in your planner, you ensure that you interact with it daily. Every time you open your planner to schedule your day, check your to-do list, or jot down notes, you'll be reminded of your goals and dreams. 2. Constant inspiration. Life can get busy, and it's easy to lose sight of long-term goals. A portable vision board serves as a constant source of inspiration, helping you stay motivated and focused, no matter where you are. 3. Personalized planning. Integrating your vision board into your planner allows you to align your daily tasks and appointments with your broader life goals. This helps you stay intentional about how you spend your time and ensures that you're making progress toward what really matters. 4. Discreet and personal. Unlike a large wall-mounted vision board, a portable version is more discreet and personal. You can keep it tucked away in your planner, where it's just for you, making it a private source of motivation. 5. Versatile and customizable. A portable vision board can be customized to fit your planner's style and layout. Whether you prefer a ring binder, a disc planner, or a travel notebook, you can create a vision board that fits seamlessly into your planning system. Materials you'll need. Creating a portable vision board for your planner is a fun and creative process. Here's a list of materials you'll need to get started. Planner. Choose the planner you're currently using or plan to use. Whether it's a ring-bound, disc-bound, or travel notebook-style planner, your vision board should be sized to fit within it. Page protectors or inserts. Depending on your planner type, you may need page protectors, inserts, or punched paper that fits your planner's rings or discs. These will serve as the base for your vision board. Printed images and text. Just like with a traditional vision board, you'll want to gather images, quotes, and words that resonate with your goals. You can find these in magazines, print them from the internet, or even draw them yourself. Scissors and glue. A good pair of scissors and a glue stick, or double-sided tape, will help you cut out and attach your images and text to your vision board. Markers and pens. Use these to write out specific goals, affirmations, or to add personal touches to your vision board. Washi tape, stickers, and decorative elements. If you like to add a bit of flair to your vision board, gather some washi tape, stickers, or other decorative elements that match your planner's aesthetic. Puncher or hole punch. If your planner uses rings or discs, you'll need a puncher or hole punch to create holes in your vision board pages so they can be inserted into your planner. Ideas for creating your portable vision board. There are several creative ways to incorporate a vision board into your planner. Here are some ideas to inspire you. 1. Vision board inserts. One of the simplest ways to create a portable vision board is by making inserts that fit into your planner. These inserts can be individual pages dedicated to different aspects of your life, such as career, health, relationships, or personal growth. Choose your inserts. Start by selecting inserts that fit your planner's size and style. You can use blank pages, grid paper, or even pre-designed inserts that match your planner's theme. Design each page. Dedicate each page of the insert to a specific area of your life. For example, one page could be focused on career goals, another on health and wellness, and another on personal development. Arrange your images and text on each page, leaving space for any notes or updates you might want to add later. Punch and insert. Once you've designed your pages, use a puncher or hole punch to create holes that fit your planner's rings or discs. Then, simply insert the pages into your planner. Interactive and flexible. The great thing about using inserts is that they're flexible and easy to update. As your goals evolve, you can add new pages, remove old ones, or rearrange them within your planner. 2. Pocket Vision Board. If your planner has pockets, you can create a mini vision board that fits neatly into one of the pockets. This is a great option if you want something quick and easy, or if you prefer a more compact version of your vision board. Mini vision board cards. Create small cards that represent different aspects of your goals. Each card can feature a single image, word, or quote that resonates with you. These cards can be made from cardstock or printed paper. Decorate and personalize. Decorate each card with washi tape, stickers, or handwritten notes. You can also laminate the cards for durability, especially if you plan to move them around or handle them frequently. Tuck into a pocket. Once your cards are ready, tuck them into one of the pockets of your planner. You can keep them all together or spread them out across different pockets for easy access. Quick reference. A pocket vision board is perfect for quick reference. Whenever you need a burst of inspiration, simply pull out one of the cards and remind yourself of your goals. 3. Planner Cover Vision Board. Your planner cover, whether inside or out, can be a fantastic place to display your vision board. This option makes your vision board the first thing you see every time you pick up your planner, keeping your goals front and center. Inside Cover Vision Board. If your planner has an inside cover with a clear pocket or space for decoration, consider creating a vision board that fits right into this area. Use cardstock or thick paper as the base, and arrange your images and text to cover the entire inside cover. Outside Cover Vision Board. For a more visible option, you can create a vision board that attaches to the outside cover of your planner. You might use adhesive or clear protective film to secure the images to the cover, ensuring they stay in place. Bookmark Edition. Consider adding a vision board element to your planner's bookmark or page marker. This could be a small card or image that clips to the top of your planner pages, allowing you to carry a piece of your vision board with you as you move through your planner. Laminated cover. If you want to protect your vision board and keep it looking fresh, consider laminating it before attaching it to your planner cover. This will help it withstand daily use and keep it looking vibrant. 4. Fold-out vision board. A fold-out vision board is a creative way to maximize space while keeping your vision board portable and integrated into your planner. This type of vision board folds out from your planner, providing an expanded canvas for your goals without taking up too much room. Create fold-out sections. Start by cutting a piece of cardstock or thick paper that's the same height as your planner pages but twice or 3 times as wide. Fold the paper into sections, accordion style, so it can easily fold out and back into your planner. Design each section. Each section of the fold-out vision board can be dedicated to a different goal or theme. Arrange your images and text on each section, creating a cohesive and visually appealing design. Attach to your planner. Secure one end of the fold-out vision board to a planner page using double-sided tape or adhesive. When you want to view your entire vision board, simply unfold it to reveal all the sections. Interactive experience. A fold-out vision board adds an interactive element to your planner, making it a fun and engaging way to interact with your goals. It's also easy to update, as you can add or remove sections as needed. 5. Planner Dashboard Vision Board. If your planner includes a dashboard, usually a sturdy page at the front or a divider between sections, you can turn this into a vision board. This option is great for planners that use dashboards as they provide a sturdy base and are often visible every time you open your planner. Design the dashboard. Use your dashboard as the base for your vision board. Arrange your images, text, and decorative elements on the dashboard, just as you would with a traditional vision board. Laminated for durability. If your planner dashboard is laminated, you can use removable stickers or sticky notes for easy updates. Alternatively, you can laminate your vision board after creating it to ensure it stays protected and durable. Movable and versatile. Since dashboards are often removable, you can move your vision board around within your planner, making it a versatile option that adapts to your planning needs. Creating and personalizing your vision board. Now that you have some ideas for how to incorporate a vision board into your planner, it's time to get creative. Here's how to create and personalize your portable vision board. 1. Select your images and text. Just like with any vision board, the first step is to gather the images and text that resonate with your goals. Look for pictures that represent your dreams, words that inspire you, and quotes that motivate you to take action. Theme-based selections. You can create themed sections of your vision board, such as career success, health and wellness, or personal growth. This helps organize your goals and makes it easier to focus on specific areas of your life. Use a variety of sources. Mix and match images and text from different sources, such as magazines, online printouts, or even hand-drawn elements. The more personalized your vision board, the more meaningful it will be. Color coordination. If you have a color scheme in your planner, consider coordinating your vision board with these colors. This creates a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look that blends seamlessly with your planner. 2. Arrange and attach. Once you have all your elements ready, it's time to start arranging them on your chosen base. Whether you're creating inserts, a fold-out board, or a dashboard, think about how you want your images and text to flow. Play with layouts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts. Move elements around until you find a design that feels right. Consider the balance of images and text, and how they interact with one another. Layer for depth. Create depth and dimension by layering images and text. This can add visual interest and make your vision board feel more dynamic. Secure everything. Once you're happy with the layout, start attaching your elements to the base using glue, double-sided tape, or adhesive. Be sure to smooth out any wrinkles or bubbles to ensure a clean, polished look. 3. Add decorative touches. To make your portable vision board truly yours, add some decorative touches. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Washi tape borders. Use washi tape to create borders around your vision board or to add pops of color. Washi tape is also great for securing smaller elements or creating sections within your vision board. Stickers and embellishments. Add stickers, stamps, or other embellishments to personalize your vision board. Choose designs that resonate with your goals or match your planner's aesthetic. Handwritten notes. Use markers or pens to write out goals, affirmations, or personal messages. Handwritten notes add a personal touch and reinforce your commitment to your goals. 4. Insert or attach to your planner. With your vision board complete, it's time to integrate it into your planner. Depending on the style you've chosen, this might involve inserting pages, tucking cards into pockets, or attaching the vision board to your planner cover. Punch holes. If you're using inserts or a fold-out board, punch holes that align with your planner's rings or discs. Make sure the holes are evenly spaced and properly aligned. Slide into pockets. For pocket vision boards, simply slide the cards or small vision boards into your planner's pockets. You can arrange them so they're easily accessible whenever you need a quick burst of inspiration. Attach to covers. If you've created a vision board for your planner cover, use adhesive or protective film to secure it in place. Ensure it's properly aligned and smooth out any wrinkles for a clean finish. Maintaining and updating your portable vision board. A vision board is a dynamic tool that evolves as your goals and aspirations change. Here's how to keep your portable vision board fresh and relevant. 1. Regularly review your vision board. Set aside time each month or quarter to review your vision board. Reflect on your goals and consider whether they still resonate with you. If you've achieved a goal or if your focus has shifted, it might be time to update your vision board. 2. Make thoughtful updates. When updating your vision board, be thoughtful about what you add or remove. Consider what new goals or inspirations you want to include and how they fit with your existing vision. Remove achieved goals. If you've accomplished a goal, celebrate it by removing it from your vision board. This makes space for new aspirations and keeps your vision board focused on what's next. Add new inspirations. As you discover new goals or sources of inspiration, add them to your vision board. This could involve creating new inserts, adding cards to your pocket vision board, or updating your dashboard. Stay true to your vision. Your vision board is a reflection of your unique journey. Keep it authentic to who you are and what you want to achieve. Final thoughts. Creating a portable vision board that fits into your planner is a powerful way to keep your goals close at hand and integrate them into your daily life. By selecting images, words, and symbols that resonate with your aspirations, you create a visual representation of the life you want to build. This portable vision board serves as a constant reminder of your dreams, helping you stay motivated and on track as you work toward achieving them. Remember, the most important aspect of your vision board is that it resonates with you and inspires you to take action. Whether you're focusing on personal growth, career success, health and wellness, or any other area of your life, your vision board is a tangible reminder of what you're working toward. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you one more time about my vision board analysis and goal-setting service. If you're feeling inspired by today's video and want some extra support in creating a vision board that aligns with your goals, make sure to check out my templates. Together, we can refine your vision, avoid common mistakes, and set you on the path to success. Check out loveluxeamore.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Here's to creating a portable vision board that truly resonates with you and helps you achieve your best year yet. You've got this.